In today's video, we have some great news to share with you. The end of lithium is finally here. We know for a fact that Tesla will not be using lithium for their next generation of batteries, but what we didn't know up until now is that Elon Musk has finally revealed how he plans to replace lithium. And this was no easy feat, because there are so many obstacles that stand in the way of developing a new battery technology. Not only do they need to make it cheaper than lithium-ion, which is already pretty cheap, but it also needs to have a higher energy density, charge faster, last longer, and most importantly, be safe. We've been hearing about lithium shortages and supply chain problems for over a year now, so we all know that relying on lithium is not a good idea. And that's why Tesla decided to come up with an alternative solution. Let's take a look at the shocking news that just came out. According to a recent interview with Tesla's CEO Elon Musk, his company is making significant progress in the development of a new cell 2-pack battery design that would use lithium iron phosphate chemistry without cobalt. He also said that Tesla aims to mass-produce these new cells by 2026 in order to make their vehicles more affordable. This means that the Tesla Model 2 will likely use this new battery technology, unless Tesla comes up with something even better by then. The Tesla Model 2 is going to be one of the most important vehicles ever made by the company. It's going to be an ultra-affordable EV design from the ground up to be both sustainable and cheap. If everything goes according to plan, the production of the Tesla Model 2 might begin in 2024 in the new Gigafactory in Mexico. So if they want to use the latest technology available, then the lithium-free battery would be the best option. So what exactly is a lithium iron phosphate battery? Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, which use a combination of lithium, nickel, manganese, and cobalt, LFP batteries use iron as the primary material for the cathode. This makes them cheaper, safer, and more environmentally friendly. Plus, they can withstand more charge cycles without degrading, meaning that they should last longer than other types of batteries. This is why LFP batteries are becoming very popular in the EV industry, as they offer a compelling alternative to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Tesla isn't the only one developing this new technology. Companies like BYD and CATL are already using LFP batteries in their EVs, with great success. Despite the advantages of LFP batteries, there are still some challenges that need to be overcome. For example, they have a lower energy density than lithium-ion batteries, meaning that they can't store as much energy in the same amount of space. This could be a problem for EVs that need to travel long distances on a single charge. However, new research suggests that this issue may soon be a thing of the past. A new study conducted by scientists at the Fraunhofer Institute in Germany has found a way to increase the energy density of LFP batteries by up to 30%. They achieved this by using a new type of electrode material that allows for faster charging and higher energy storage. This breakthrough could make LFP batteries a viable option for long-range EVs. It's potentially even allowing Tesla to develop the world's first 1 million-mile battery. Elon Musk has been teasing the development of a new battery cell for quite some time now. During the Battery Day event in 2020, he revealed that Tesla was working on a next-generation battery that would cost 50% less than the current 18,650 cells. According to him, the new battery would use a different chemistry that is not based on cobalt or nickel, which are expensive and in limited supply. At the time, Elon said that the new battery cell was still in the prototype stage and would not be ready for mass production until 2023. However, it looks like the timeline has slipped a bit, and the new cell will not be ready until 2024 or 2025. Despite this setback, the new battery cell is still an exciting prospect for the future of EVs. If Tesla can successfully develop a battery that is both cheaper and more sustainable, it could help to accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles. And if this new battery turns out to be reliable, safe, and high-performing, then it could very well become the standard for the entire EV industry. Elon Musk has also mentioned that the new cell would use a tabless design, which would eliminate the need for a separate anode and cathode terminal, simplifying the manufacturing process and reducing costs. This is similar to the battery design that Chinese companies like BYD and CATL have been using with their LFP batteries. Overall, the development of a new battery cell is a major undertaking However, the potential benefits are enormous and could revolutionize the EV industry. As Tesla continues to make progress on this front, we can expect more updates from the company in the near future. Now, while Elon has repeatedly stated that Tesla will not use lithium in their next generation of batteries, it's important to note that this doesn't necessarily mean that the company will stop using lithium altogether. In fact, it's likely that Tesla will continue to use lithium-ion batteries in some capacity, particularly for applications where a higher energy density is required. Instead, Elon's comment suggests that Tesla is looking to reduce its reliance on lithium as much as possible in order to make its vehicles more sustainable and affordable. There are a few ways that Tesla could achieve this. One approach would be to develop new battery chemistries that use materials other than lithium for the cathode. Another approach would be to recycle lithium from used batteries and reuse it in new cells, reducing the need to extract the metal from raw materials. By taking these steps, Tesla could not only reduce its dependence on lithium, but also help to ensure that its batteries are more environmentally friendly and cost-effective. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to grow, it's clear that the industry needs to find new ways to meet the demand for batteries. With its focus on sustainability and innovation, Tesla is well positioned to lead the charge in developing new battery technologies that will power the EVs of tomorrow. But let us know what you think about this in the comments below. What do you think about the new LFP battery breakthrough? Do you think that this is the end of lithium? And do you think that Tesla will be able to deliver on their promise of an affordable and sustainable EV? As always, if you want to continue to learn about everything regarding Tesla, Spuckcent, Elon Musk, we've got 2 more video options for you on the screen to check out. Don't forget to give this video thumbs up today if you liked it, and subscribe for weekly content just like this.